I'm Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a week in my life. Today is Sunday and my nephew is sick, so we're not going to church. But I do have something fun I want to do. So I think we should do that together because I have other things that aren't so fun, but I still want to do them with you. But we'll do the fun things first. So, oh, the back of me looks like boom, boom, boom. Anyways, oh, my art wall looks fantastic. Look at this wall. Okay, that is cool. Should I turn the light different? No. I'll do this one. Gotta move my laptop. Oh. Okay, we're just not gonna talk about why this one looks somewhat normal and this one just looks, why is there yellow in it? Why this one looks like this? Can anyone guess what we're doing? Guess in the comments right now what we're doing. Okay, if you guys have guessed it, I don't know if that's the word. If you guys haven't guessed it by now, I'm going to do little like braids with these in it. There's a fake eyelash stuck in the in the string. Little elastics, multiple colors of string, and hair. So let's do it. I'm going to figure out where I want this. I'm gonna section my hair, I think. And use this hair elastic. Don't mind the color or that it's from like 2018. We're just gonna do this. Sectioning like this. You probably can't even see the top of my head. That is not helpful. I'm just taking this section of my hair and I'm just gonna plop it on the top of my head there's a cat. While there's a cat, that's perfect. We're gonna figure out where I want to put these little braidy things. Oh, you also need scissors. Okay, I'm gonna section this in like a square rectangle thing, and then we'll be back, okay? Choose the colors you want. I'm gonna go with purple. That is definitely longer than my hair, but it's okay. Braid this and then like wrap it around, which I love to do that, so maybe I'll do that one. Okay, that's as far as I can go with my hair. We're gonna take a little tiny elastic, and then when it comes to the string, we'll have to figure out how we're gonna put it in this thing. I just do this however I want. I do not follow anything. So do not follow what I'm doing, just do it. I'm a great YouTuber, aren't I? I have pink and I have purple. Basically, I just go like this, and I cross them over, and I cross them back. So now I have a cute little thing. I think I want to do one more on this side. Take down the top of my hair and we'll see what it looks like. I honestly love it. This is probably my favorite ones that I've ever done, because I used to do a whole bunch, like all throughout my hair, but I think I like these ones that are like more subtle. Anyways, hope you guys do something fun with your hair. I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so I need to sort through my laundry and put it in the washing machine. So we should do that. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with these. This is the less fun part.
I made pizza.
So good. Okay, so in the last clip you saw that we were eating pizza. We made homemade pizza. Well, my sister made homemade pizza. I can't take the credit. My sister made homemade pizza for supper, and it was delicious. I need to make sourdough bread for me and someone that is going to buy it from me. So, let's do that. I have sourdough in my hair, but I just got the batches of dough done, and now they're rising, and they have to rise until tomorrow. Wow, this one nail is really long. Anyways, they're both double batches of sourdough bread. So I made 2 double batches. So I'm gonna have 4 loaves of bread. Another thing, I wanna show you my mirror and where I put it, because I haven't used a mirror in a year because it was in my closet. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so this is like, where's my hand? That's my door. This is the wall that we painted a couple years ago on my channel. And that's my summer bucket list. We're not gonna look at that right now. But this is where I put my mirror. Yeah, anyways. Okay, I need coffee. Well, I don't need it, I want it. Hey guys, it is almost 4 o'clock and I'm gonna make my bread. My hair's something. But I've been picking strawberries so much in the last couple of days. I have a bunch drying out on the counter because I washed them and they need to dry. They're just wild strawberries, so they're just like itty little tiny bitty things. Like one of the biggest ones are like that. But they're super fun to pick and they taste delicious. But I'm currently making my nephew a snack because I am babysitting. But once I'm done that, we can make some sourdough bread together. I have both my double batches of sourdough bread, and then I have my 4 pans. Quickly wash this off. I have the oven preheating, but it's just to warm it up so I can let my bread dough rise before cooking it. So I'm gonna bring my 4 pans over, but I'm gonna spray them all. Now I have to like separate them into 2 and shake them. Okay, so now that it's basically just a big ball, I'm going to take and cut it in half. So now that I have 2 pieces that are even, I'm going to just shape it. So I'm gonna take these 2 pans and put them in the oven to start their rising dough. In the pan, and do the next one. Log, seam side, down. And then I take these 2, I put them in the oven to rise for 1 to 2 hours. I gotta grab my sign that says dough rising in the oven, and I signed it. And I gotta put this on the on the stove so my family, mostly my mother, won't turn on the oven and burn my bread. So now while that rises, I have to go do my job. So I'll see you guys when the bread is done rising and it's time to cook. So the bread has been cooking and I forgot to film it. So all 4 of them are in the oven. We'll get a close-up and a cute little aesthetic video of them once they are all cooling. So the bread is done and it's cooling, and then I'm gonna bag it up, and tomorrow my friend is gonna come and get it. I'm so excited because this is my first time selling it. I don't know, but yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I just read my devotional. I'm about to do my journal. I read like 7 chapters of the Bible this morning. Honestly, so proud of myself. It was great. I loved it. And I woke up super early this morning, even though I went to bed pretty late last night. Late for me. When I woke up at like 6:30, I took Daisy out and made myself coffee, and then I was like, I'm gonna go read the Bible, and I'm going to like do my devotional and do my little Bible study stuff. So I did that, and now I have to do my journal, and then it probably will be around the time that I sell my first loaves of bread to, I guess it's my uncle's neighbor. She's a really sweet woman. Love her. But yeah, I'll be doing that around 9 to 10 o'clock this morning. So I'll see you in the next clip. I sold my bread. The lady was so sweet. I think I already said she was gonna be sweet because from the text messages. And I've met her a couple other times. But yeah, I sold my bread and it was a great interaction. It felt like it happened like this. But I had a bath and I'm now ready for the day. And I feel like this is just giving summer vibes, especially just my summer vibes, because in the summer I always just end up throwing on a bathing suit and then just wearing the top as like a shirt, and then I have like the bottoms and some shorts. They never really go together, but that's my vibe. But yeah, I'm ready for the day. I sold my bread. Give myself a round of applause. I started editing this video and it's so cute. And I think I'm going to vlog until Saturday and then upload Tuesday. I think that'd be cool. You can see the back of me. Anyways, I have to go do some stuff like laundry and chores. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip, which most likely will be tomorrow. We are at McDonald's. I wanna be close to you. And I can't take my dog inside, so we're just chilling. You can't even see the dog. Wait. Come on, Daisy. Back up. Oh, we gotta go right in. Sit. Since I have the little dog that doesn't listen. It's so cute. Oh, now she listens. Here. Hara. Hold it. Scoot away. Dude. I know, he swerved. You almost ate shit. Wait, did you get on video? I think it is. Okay, we're gonna look at that. So the reason we're at McDonald's is because the car is getting fixed, and then we're going to the beach. Ah, girl, is she squealing?
Well, it was a seagull, girl.
It was a seagull. But yeah, we're going to the beach later, and people are watching me film in public, so I look like a weird. Oh, she's doing the hot to go. Yeah, I think you guys know it, but I do not.
I love that song.
But yeah, we're in town. My dog is a whiner. Just because she wants to see every single person, and she's not allowed.
She jumped at this guy.
She jumped at a guy, and he was scaring me.
Yeah, he was like
But then we walked by him. What?
It's like stalking. He was like standing right next to him.
But yeah, we were just sitting there, and he just came over and stood around the corner, holding papers. And, oh my goodness, he's scary. I don't like him. Let's move. And then we moved, and then my dog jumped up on him, and Julie's like, I feel sorry for him. And I was like, I do not. It's like, it's my dog. I do not care. And there's little kids through this window, and they're just like, why you talk to a phone? They're adorable though.
Stealing one of Lauren's fries.
She's stealing my fries. Oh, I got coffee. And she got a cute little juicy juice. Lemonade. Iced tea. Do you know what that is? How'd you guys? You don't know what I'm talking about. Da, 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 da. Oh. Daisy, come here. Oh, dance, 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 dance. I got a puppy. I love it. She did not want to do that. She wants to dig. Oh yeah. My hair.
It's like dry right here.
Popcorn.
Right here.
We all look like little red wet rats is what I was trying to say.
This is the remix.
Hey baby, you're so cute.
So far away from
He went underwater. He's so cute. We baptized him earlier because he asked us to. I'm not your mom. So it started raining.
Sorry, I talked.
Okay. But yeah, soaking wet. But now, gorgeous again. Love it.
I can see the sun.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. A rainbow. Thank you, Lord. Rainbow. Come back. Oh my goodness, it's oh my goodness, I love it. I want to take the I love it. Woo! What gorgeousness.
We have to look at the treasure in there.
Happy Friday, guys. It is 7:22. And someone just honked while going to work, apparently. I'm assuming it's my cousin. But I just took Daisy out. I need to do my journal, read the Bible, do my Bible study, get that cat off the counter. But then, but before all of that, I also need, before all of that, I need a coffee. So I'm gonna do that. So I just had a bath and got ready for the day. And this is my outfit. This bikini top on and the same checkered bottoms as the other day. And then I have this tank top with buttons on the front. And these shorts that I wear every week because I only have 3 pairs of shorts. Yeah. But I'm gonna ask my sister if we can go get ice cream because I really badly want ice cream. Anyways, I'll see you in the next clip. My sister did agree to go to get ice cream, but my nephew was napping. Not that he normally does that, he just is going through a growth spurt. And now I'm gonna treat them to ice cream. He probably won't get ice cream. He'll either get a slushie or a Coca-Cola in a bottle. But he also said he might want a fudge-sicle. I think it's a chocolate thing. A chocolate popsicle? I don't know. We'll see what he gets. I know I'm gonna get vanilla ice cream, and my sister probably will get swirl, like chocolate and vanilla together. But yeah. What do you get?
A fudge pop.
I don't think it's called the fudge pop, but
Hey.
that thing, it's not.
Ice cream, Mom.
She got exactly what I thought she would, but she got in a dish with the cone on top, and I got my vanilla. Hey guys, it's Saturday, and I just got dressed for the day, and I'm wearing this cute top that ties. I don't know. I've had it for many, many years. And I'm wearing my hippie pants. My hippie flowy pant things. But yeah. I really like this hairstyle right now because it shows this. But also, I just normally like it anyways because it just, I don't know. I feel pretty. But we're going to a barbecue today, so I'll get some clips of that. So apparently we're having the barbecue at my house. So I'll show you guys my food when I get it. Like 10 o'clock at night, and I need to end this vlog. Come back for next week's vlog, and I hope you guys are filled with love, peace, and joy. And my Instagram and TikTok will be in the description below. Click the notification bell and spread the word of God. Love you guys.